Welcome, this is Panda-Frog, and today I have to really quickly join the 3 ghost logs giveaway. He has it running for 3 weeks or 100 subs, and he's at 99, so I should be sub 100. And it is hashtag TClogs giveaway. That's a hashtag, and he would like us to pick a log, any log, and we will get a bingo card and we will play bingo, and the winner of that bingo game will win a couple logs and some fun stuff. So go to his channel, check him out. So it's a little shout out for him. Check him out, leave him a sub, and Mr. 3 Ghost Logs. I got this Burg Wächter Alutitan. It's a 70-20. Nothing very special or too hard, because I have to do it quickly now. And I haven't picked this log in a while. It's just a 3-pinner. Let's see if we can open it really quickly for you. So, I'm going to use my new Tech 5 pick for this. So it should work. And it is open. Alright. Was it in the frame? Let's do it again really quickly. Alright. So, theoretically I should be sub 100, so the giveaway is probably over now. I don't know. Congratulations anyways, and thank you for doing this giveaway. See you next time. Bye bye.